Welcome. If you've been missing important Spotlight Snaps notifications on Snapchat, or you just want them to pop up instantly on your screen, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to enable pop-up Spotlight Snaps notifications so you never miss what's trending or what your friends are sharing. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your Settings app. This is where all your device controls live, including how notifications behave. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as Apps and Notifications, but it leads to the same place. Next, find and tap on Snapchat from your list of installed apps. This will open all the app-specific settings for Snapchat. Now, tap on Notifications. This section controls every type of alert Snapchat can send you, from messages to stories and more. After that, look for an option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This is where Snapchat separates different types of notifications so you can customize them individually. Scroll through the list until you find Spotlight Snaps, then tap on it. This is the exact setting we need to adjust. Finally, look for the option that says Show as Pop-up and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, Spotlight Snaps notifications will appear as pop-ups on your screen, making them much harder to miss. And that's it. From now on, you'll get instant pop-up alerts whenever there's a Spotlight Snap notification. If this helped you out, make sure to stick around for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks for watching.